Kebele Pibaro Syakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Mat bakong san menta kesengi kilong. Klut line ke dorbar mang pisa ke HDC pet keliang persya bak syabar. Yarap ke sorkar arpun Rewteli ki Sports Association ban penkre ke National Games arhajar arpunyo. Mang ke sorkar ban pendep ke surok Shillong dauki hau arhajar arpun Rew. Bat pediang buram ke ying dorbar ke HDC yoba Matthew ke makdo MDC Shusi. Bat mentangin pa syaki Khubor bakam benya. Mi ke jingetai bala klut lan shwaban wanra ia ke mang pisa ha ying dorbar ke HDC ke bala pelong ia ki dekat ke liang persya ban mi bak syabar. Kesengi sedang jong ke dorbar mang pisa jong ke HDC ke bas dang ha ke arpun Rewteli Jylliew. Kalau saki ya ke jingetai ke bejur bah hapeding ke liang persya bat ke liang sensyar shwabo executive member bepek ya ke finance unwanra ya ke mang pisa bepura. Kumta hapeding ke jingetai chairman ke ying dorbar ke KHADC uba strong pillar kharjana ula pensange shipor ya ke dorbar. Hadin kat tu kat nipor lezdang biang ya ke dorbar. Kamat ya tainya ke beklut kelami ahdin bunong yalam keliang persya ubat titos khan ula kedau bekeni kemang pisa ke belawanra ahying dorbar kamlong setia ke bapura bat kumta don kamban penbet bahaya ka. Kumta habalapoi ke kelamit keni ke jingetai ke layai beteng biang. Haba keliang sinsyar ke lerai ban lembub napang ban wanra bet ya kamang pisa klem das ngap syu ya ke sur na keliang persya. Kumta kilarai ban mino bak bat pet bak syabar ke ying dorbar.
Yang yatay kadao ka bakungsani kalong kung baglai haka first session kabamut haka class step haka ba nakaliang kajungi nakaliang sunga hamtam kung LU bat kuntu kongres bat baro imamba kabangi pen ya kajing bombiang jong kani ka budget book Shwaba UEM in charge un table ya ka budget ka house kung Jyllong berkom. Kena kalian ke cungi ngilalau ba haka ni ka budget book haka ba kidon kini ki head ki sub head ki baper ki pan ya ka jingmang pisa na ka bantag senam arjar afsan Rio haka grand number 1 jong ka GED kalapau ka we ka sub head ka bakiong ka supplementary expenditure 24-25. Kabalong sikulur ralak laiku arhajar pas pak papo. Bat kumjuru haga grand number 6. Kabadai jong ka legislative. Haga niru kalami kaju ika kentin kabaong supplementary expenditure 24-25. Kamun arteli ki supplementary expenditure ki reflect haga ni ka budget book. Kai ka ni ka budget book. Kani ka budget book kani ka detail estimate. Kaba kajing pan pisa jong ke isi kalong ba hang nila reflect hang nu don kam ya kani ka pisa haki eki heads haki eki sub head nakabenta kajing lut kaba kumnu ban sip tulop yano yau a ni yau b yau c ka reflect lut hang ni ternai ka balengo kalong ba kumnu kani ka supplementary expenditure ka reflect hang ni ngalaris ya ka objection ka jong ka point of order da ka bang akrew ya ka article ya ka rule 111 ka rule 111 ka ong syai ba any supplementary expenditure lani additional amount lani supplementary demand kadai banwan hakadur hapo house hadin bangila paswa ya ka budget kani ka full budget ong no menta kadai jong u atusan kabaladap mo ngan keren ni kabaladap timenta haka isi ka bamenswa kiwanra SD Kiwanra kata ka supplementary demand lani ka supplementary expenditure haka ba kidon kam pisasyo takadaw kiwanra house ka approve kabamut katu ka supplementary demand jong ka arsa-arsan ka lakut la ada pelut nang benta arsa-arsan tika ka kamram jong ni isipat kalong banpek ya kani ka arhusan artunril ti how panay match kini kani ka isi ka kamanra ya kani ka full budget kawanra ka board of account kabalungo kalong ba kani ka board of account kahamdan kani ka supplementary jong arsa-arsan namar ko mga ong house kani ka supplementary arsa-arsan kala ayak teh kalakut ada pelut kani bisa kabamut mentang ingin pan pisab yang nakabentaw arsan na real te hakapor ba ki kani ka isi ka shimpi Yakanika isi ka kaman rai full budget or rai board of accounts. The minute haka board of account kila ada include yakanika amount ka bakiwan ra biang manta supplementary expenditure at sausan kila ada include haka board of accounts. Nakabanta kijing mang ki prepare ka badai bat kutulok chong kino.
Kesorkar Meghalaya kelasam jingirap kabala kenjok sau phau klor tingka duna syaki arpun riuteli ki Sports Association ban penkre iki Samla ban yakun ha ke National Games arjar arpunyo kabanlong ha Meghalaya. Yakini ki jingirap lepen benado Menteri Rangba ukonrat ki sangma ha ka arpu sau terik Jylliew ha State Convention Center Shillong. Menteri Rangba Ulong kini kijingirap kilong ban ailat iki Sports Association ban thiet iki tiar bekidon kam ban ai training syiki Samla kenthei bat chinrang ban ai bainong ye ki coach bat ban penbiang ya barok ki jingdon kam jengki ban pentebet iki Samla ban poi syakathong jingjob ha ka National Games ban wan ha kejuk Khubor Ulong ru habala pelot de ki phau klur ka baiseng na ka benta kini ka jingtemu ka sorkar bat ki pai ba ka Jylla ki khmi lenti ban yo ikisok bethiang na kini ka National Games ha ka ba ki Samla na ka Jylla kin wan ra jingjob na ki jingya khun babunjat bekin ni shementa ha kini ka lempung ye kendu bat kinong tho Khubor Menteri Rangba ulai busket shilak tingka sya ka Samla refines wajri kabala yuk kejat hak liar jong Mount Everest hakilum mangkasyang ka Samla refines wajri kadai ka kenthai balai bana Meghalaya ban poi sya kani ka thong
There are associations to the national level and even maybe at the Olympic associations to Shillong.
So just to share with you that close to about 1900 crores of projects today are being implemented in sports infrastructure as we speak. And that's something that has never ever happened in the history of our state. In fact, if you look at the artificial turfs for football that are coming up, we'll be having close to 50 artificial turfs throughout the state. That is the largest number any state has in the country. We are very happy, and I do take this opportunity to thank the Indian Olympic Association, the chairperson, Madam P.T. Usha, and of course our Honorable Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah, and our respected Sports Minister for having given the opportunity to Meghalaya to host the 39th National Games. I also would like to mention to you that today's program is something that's very special and very, very unique. And I'm sure that others have said it before, but I want to repeat it again so that you realize how important this decision that we're taking is. We are today here to tell you that we are going to be giving the funds to you, to the associations. Let me tell you, not to point fingers at any other state government or the past games, but in the past games, the governments would, spend the money to buy the equipment and then give the equipments to the associations. The government would then get the coaches and give the coaches to the associations and pay for the coaches. Maybe this is the first time in the history of the country that a state government is actually going to give the funds to the associations. And we are going to be making you part of the decision making, because we realize that you know best. You know what you need.
Doing a unified check. Today we're showing it, and then of course each association will get part of that amount. So therefore this is the total amount that we're releasing today, and different associations as per their requirement, as per the demands they put in, as per the assessments done by the department as well as the associations. Each of the associations will get a separate check.
And we wish all. Thank the government of Meghalaya for this wonderful grant for the team preparation.
Okay.
Usembut Menteri Rangba bapet ye katanat PWD ba Preston Tensong haka arpulai terik ulalum ye kejing yalang bishar kam halor kejing pentre kam ya ki project surak bapher bala pentre da ke National Highway and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited NHIDCL ha Meghalaya. Ki project ba usembut menteri rangba usyong bishar ki kentup ya ke surak Shillong Dauki ke Shillong Western Bypass ke speed corridor bat kumjuru ya ke Tura Bypass. Habakren cikilat pathai Khubor hadin ke Jylla uba prestun ulapen pau ya ke jinghun bagi jingtrei kini ke surak kilaya chaprang wat habaki bor mariang kilabu bon ke jing ulapen pau ke jingkermen ke bas camp da ke boong ke surak Shillong Dauki kan sebiang nadong shedong house nem arhajar arpun rio.
No, relating to Gludi scheme, I've just had a review meeting today. One is about the progress of work Purusla Shillong Dauki Road, all the packages. And right now instruction has been given to NHIDCL to speed up the work, and I'm very sure they'll be able to complete it maybe as indicated in the contract order by the NHIDCL. So I've seen the work is in progress well. Of course, we do have problem because of this rain, but I'm very sure they'll be able to reach the target as already stipulated in the work order.
When is
That is point number one. Then number two, I also did the review meeting relating to the progress of Western Bypass. Again, we have little challenges with this problem of land. Land means the problem is about, sometimes some people, they claim that the land belongs to me, I did not get the payment, this, that. A lot of things happening like that. So I've given direction to all the district collector to resolve this issue and make sure that the progress of work does not at all affect. And these people, though they claim, until they have the proper document, they cannot just blindly claim like that. So we have taken a decision today, and I've instructed to all the deputy collectors to do the needful and make sure that the progress of work is fully in good pace as we already expected, and I'm very sure we'll be able again to complete on time. And the next one is we had again a review meeting relating to the survey of the speed corridor starting from Barapani, starting from Umyam up to the border of Assam, where ultimately all the district collectors, they are on the job, and I'm very sure very soon each district collector will be able jointly with the NHIDCL to finalize the center line of the speed corridor road up to the end point of East Jylliew Hills, and the progress, as I said to you, all the three districts, because all the four districts, starting from Riboy district, second is East Khasinews district, West Jylliew Hills district, and also East Jylliew Hills district. And the last one, I took a review, the progress of the proposed Tura bypass to Dalu. Again, the 3D notification is being prepared by the respective district collector.
Kaying dorbar ke KHEDC haka arpusau terik Jylliew kala pediang burom yau MDC Shuse uba Matthew ki makdo bad hakani kesngi lesdang ye ke dorbar mang pisa jong ke council. Yau uba Matthew ki makdo hakani kesngi lepeni itu hapo ying dorbar da chairman uba strong pillar kharjana. Ulat ke Jylla UCH Vijay Shankar ula menjur ya ke kerteng jong Pak Matthew ki makdo balarai budget de kaliang senshar ha KHEDC balayalam de keseng Voice of the People Party VPP. Keman shipinkan mau uba Matthew ki makdo udayu kertong MDC ke VPP na nongpo constituency ubala syarem ha ke election badang shudapshen ha ke kong Rona Khamdet ke kertong keseng NPP.
member of the council, Tata Iba Matthew Kenneth Macron, hadir Pak Gubernur Pulau Bancur, lembaga notification dated Abnar San Araja Arsa, Babila dan Shim Smart, Kakum Ikendon, Johan, Agak Hatway Kerik, Merayang Rio, Araja Arsa. Kita Agak Kertin Joka Council, dia memiliki syarikat Yekdoba, Batige, lembaga juga joki kandangnya Meghalaya Council. Agar pagi bagian kum kecil itu syarikat jauh kali.
Ke Agricultural Technology Application Research Institute Atari Umyam, kebetulan hak jingpenia jong ke Indian Council for Agricultural Research ICAR, keleraki hak arpusau terik Jylliew ya ke jingdap kendai snem, haki kam syakri ban kershan bat yarap ikipat nongrep jong ke Meghalaya bat yakathan lam mingi berok kawai. Ke Dr. Amprin Lingdok ke Menteri Agriculture ke Jylla ke lalong ke Kongsan hak ni ke sengira kedap kendai snem ke Atari. Ke Kong Amprin ke layaro ia ke jing tre jong ke ni ke institute ke bala pasat jing hikai syeki nongrep jong ke ni ke than kat kum ke jing long bat jing don kam jong ki jakarep hak ki Jylla beper. Hak ni ke jing lang rakhi kemen hak ni ke sengi la samru ik busket syeki tenat ai jing hikai Krishi Vigyan Kendra KVK ki bedon haki district beper jong ke ni ke than lam mi ngi kari India. Kakong Amprin ke lekentui ki pat nongrep ban shim kabu bat bantur syajan jong ki KVK ban penroy bat penjana ye kerep karyang haki jaka jong ki kenang bekejing penmi jing bam kan long ke bawan ra jing mentoy bat ke bekentiu ya ke yok ke kot jong ki.
Achievements, but also provides an opportunity to engage with its key stakeholders, visionary partners and mentors who have contributed to its mission of improving agricultural productivity and sustainability through advanced technological interventions. I came to know that ICAR Agricultural Technology Application Research Institution is an important research organization amongst the 113 research institutions under the National Agriculture Research Education and Extension System of the ICAR, which is primarily responsible for technology application research for sustainable technology adoption by the farming community and is instrumental in transforming the agricultural landscape of the country through technology application research in the farmers' field through its network of KVKs. In fact, the KVKs in the northeastern hill region under the technical guidance of ICAR Atari Zone 7 Umyam Meghalaya have created a significant impact on the hill agriculture through assessment, refinement of technologies suitable for the specific micro-agroclimatic situations, followed by frontline demonstrations of proven technologies and capacity building program and other extension activities performed by its network of 43 district level KVKs across the 5 states in our region. I wish all these KVKs in the 5 states the very best, and I am confident that due to the relentless efforts of the parent department, the hill agriculture.
Bat dakini ki Khubor ngilapoi syekabekut tat haduk bindai syambiang kublai shipot.